I'm Rakesh. I have been practicing heartfulness for almost 25 years or so. It has been uh, at a very young age when I started just completing my graduation, and it has really demarcated my life. I generally, whenever I speak about it, it is like a ruled copy where that margin is there. No, it is like something like that, and my things goes on one by one. So that is how it happens to me. The major objective why I put my daughter here is because of the environment which Kanha has, and obviously the guidance which Daaji, which he will give very subtly, and it will work for me, which I obviously as a parent I would definitely look forward to. I would really say my meditation hall, because for example, today morning when I just after doing my meditation from my room, I asked my wife that it is better to go and sit beforehand before the satsang, and it has a very different effect because I settled myself, and before Daji sitting, it was like it had a very different experience. So I would really prefer doing all my meditation inside the meditation hall. It was my brother who was in Australia. He was working there, and from there he came to know about heartfulness meditation. And when he came for the first time after doing that, it was his couple of things which really made me means go immediately. It was don't beg anything, which I used to do during my college time for my marks. That is basically, and there was no greediness that we do because of that. So these two pointers were, and it was not a ritualistic thing. So I just once he went out, I took my setting immediately. Uh, Immediately no, but yes, I definitely look forward for that. We have been a volunteer. We have been doing it. Basically, when I was in Bangalore for almost 10 years, so I had got an opportunity to be a volunteer for that crest. We have been doing that, and there were many other places. For example, the children's center, which was during the Bhandara season. So we have been taking care of that, and I have been a participant as a volunteer there. I definitely wants to visit very frequently, and now due to COVID, I think so. It was last Bhandara. After that last Bhandara, in October, I visited with my daughter, and this is the second time I have immediately visited. I would definitely visit at least 4 to 5 times in a year. At least I would definitely would love to do that.